Continuing on chapter 8. Question number 7 continues with the information we've seen before and specifically asks what's covariance and correlation coefficient between the two stocks. For this, we're going to use our formula for covariance is beta A beta times beta B times the standard deviation for the market. And substituting for this, our information given to us in the preamble to all these questions, beta for stock A is 0.7, beta for stock B is 1.2, and standard deviation for the market is 0.2. That's standard deviation squared. So for this, substituting, this is going to be 0.70 times 1.20 times 0.20 squared. Extended, and we know this, we've seen that many times, would be 0.04. So that solves to 0.7 times 1.2 times 0.04 gives us 0.0036. 0.0336 is covariance between stocks A and B. Then further than our correlation coefficient is rho for A and B and this is covariance stocks A and stocks B divided by standard deviation of A times standard deviation of B. If you recall, we solved our standard deviations earlier for question 5. So substituting here, covariance, so rho A and B is now covariance 0.0336 divided by, going back quite a bit, our standard deviation of stock A from question 5 was 0.3130. Standard deviation of stock B was 0.6928. So we'll use those now to find rho or correlation coefficient for A and B. So here 0.313 times 0.692. And solving this, 0.0336 divided by 0.3130 times 0.6928, 0.2168, and 0.0336 divided by 0.2168, rho for A and B, or correlation coefficient, is 0.15 0.498, or rounding a little bit, 0.155. So we've solved for variance for A and B. We've broken variance for A and B down to its systematic and firm-specific components. We've derived standard deviations for A and B, and from that we have covariance between A and B, and finally rho, or the correlation coefficients for A and B for question 7, chapter 8. Let's save that and move to question 9.